Hey guys, welcome and thanks for clicking this video. So I decided to keep it, and so I bought some mods. Not that much, kinda, or much. I'm not gonna tell you what I got, but just stay tuned, prepared. All the future video couple will be on installing the mods and reviewing the mods, and test ride the mods. And if you have any question, I'll just leave in the comments. I'll answer it. So hey guys, welcome back to the opening, and we're gonna open this bad boy up. Got my knife here. So I haven't tell you guys what I got, but you guys should know this. The main mod from TSC 53. I'll open in the opposite way because I don't want to show my address. Ah, this is the... What are these? Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. Cables? Yeah, but anyway, this is the smoke tail light. Wow. Dang hat right here. Relay Gen 2. One also I got no profit license plate light. Halo running side light. No, it's not. It's the side light. Okay. This is the tail tidy probably, which I got. Yep. Wish I need to drill the hole, but I don't have any drills. Sort of. Actually, let me figure it out. Passenger seat. Open this back. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't never let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, pick it up now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to it when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'm a big side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Actually, it does sound different from the videos. It's more like pipey, more like through the pipe, like the echoey sound. And that's it. Let's rev it.